guys, it's Adriana and today I'm gonna show you how to make my healthy recipe for a chocolate acai bowl. It's made without bananas, vegan and paleo friendly. This recipe is super quick, it's simple to make. I make it all the time. So let's go inside and let me show you how to make it. Being from Brazil, I have to show you more acai bowl recipes. This one is made with antioxidant-rich cacao, and I like to serve it in a cup instead of a bowl because it's super easy to carry it when I'm on the go. Let's dive right into the recipe. In your blender, add some water, frozen mangoes, frozen strawberries. Now add the star ingredient, frozen acai berries. Of course, I'm using the unsweetened fruit from my favorite brand by Tambor. Add the cacao powder to load our acai bowl with even more antioxidants. And for added health benefits, add some collagen or your favorite vegan protein powder to give you a boost of energy. As always, the measurements and nutrition facts are posted on my blog at livinghealthywithchocolate.com, so be sure to go there and print the recipe. You know acai is packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins and minerals, and the fruit grows in palm trees in Brazil. I'm adding some granola in 2 layers so that I can get some crunch with each bite, which I love. And if you want this grain-free granola recipe, the recipe is free on my blog. I'm also adding some cacao nibs to give it extra crunch and to also intensify that lovely chocolate flavor that I loved. Did you like this recipe? Like and share this video and I'll see you guys next week.